Replace the punching die teaching video. Loose the two black screws of the upper mold first. You can remove this part. Use a wrench to loose the black part. Remove the upper mold. If you need to install a new mold, just put it in back in these places. Use a special wrench to hold it in the place to fix it. Put it in through the groove. Just fix the screws. If you want to replace the lower mold, let's start with this. Remove the screws in these two positions, this one and here. Remove the lower die by hand and just put it back again. Then remove the two loose screws, retighten it. The upper mold is like the steps that were just restored.